Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, today we will start Mathematics D2 or new syllabus of Secondary Mathematics D2. In new syllabus of Mathematics D2, chapter number 1, Direct and Inverse Proportion. Exercise 1A, intermediate level, question number 5 to 9. Now, question number 5. The cost of 10 kg of leaves when 3 kg of tea leaves cost is $18. In second part, A kg of sugar when B kg of sugar cost is $3. Now, we will find the relation. Let the mass of tea leaf is equal to X and cost is equal to Y. According to the given condition, X is directly proportional to Y. When we will remove the proportionality sign, we use the constant. This implies that X is equal to KY. When X is equal to 3 kg and Y is equal to $18. According to this condition, X is equal to 3 kg and Y is equal to $18. Then putting the value in this equation, X is equal to KY. Value of X is 3 and Y is 18. 18 is divided by other side, so K is equal to 3 upon 18. Simplify this relation. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Then value of K is equal to 1 upon 6. Now in part 1, X is equal to 10 kg and Y is equal to question mark. Then putting the values in this relation, X is equal to Ky, value of X is equal to 10 and value of K is equal to 1 upon 6. Y is equal to, here 6 is divided, on other side it will be multiplied, so Y is equal to 10 multiplied by 6. 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60, so the value of Y is equal to 60. In second relation, when B is equal to B kg of sugar cost is $3, then X is equal to B and Y is equal to $C. B is equal to KC. The value of X is B and Y is C. We find the value of K. This implies that K is equal to B upon C. Now we will have Y is question mark and value of X is A. Putting in given relation, then A is equal to B upon C Y. This value C is divided, on other side it will be multiplied, and B is multiplied, it will be other side is divided. Then taking the reciprocal of value of K, Y is equal to AC upon B. Now in question number 6, 5 upon 9 of piece of metal has a mass of 7 kg. What is the mass of 2 upon 7 of the piece of metal? First of all, let us suppose that piece of metal is equal to X and mass is equal to Y. Then we have, according to given condition, X is directly proportional to Y. When we will move the proportionality sign, we will use constant, so X is equal to Ky. Now when X is equal to 5 upon 9 and Y is equal to 7 kg, putting in this relation, value of X is 5 upon 9 and value of Y is 7. 7 is divided by other side, then K is equal to 5 upon 63. Now X is equal to 2 upon 7 and Y is equal to question mark, then putting the value of X 2 upon 7 is equal to value of K 5 upon 63 Y. This implies that 63 is multiplied by other side and 5 is divided on other side. We will take the reciprocal. Y is equal to 2 multiplied by 63 upon 7 multiplied by 5. Now simplify this relation. 7 ones are 7 and 7 nines are 63. We will multiply 9 twos are 18. The final answer of y is equal to 18 upon 5. Then we will move toward the question number 7. In question number 7, z is directly proportional to x and value of z is equal to 12 and x is equal to 3. Find the value of x when z is equal to 18. Now we will have, according to the given condition, z is directly proportional to x. Removing the sign of proportionality, z is equal to kx. Then we have z is equal to 12 and x is equal to 3. In this relation, we can see that z is equal to 12 and x is equal to 3. Putting the values, then 12 is equal to k into 3. 3 is divided by other side. This implies that k is equal to 12 upon 3. Simplify this relation. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Value of k is 12. Now we will find the value of x when z is equal to 18. Then put in given relation z is equal to kx. Then value of z is equal to 18 is equal to value of k is equal to 4 into x. 4 is divided by other side, then x is equal to 18 upon 4. Now simplify this relation. 9 upon 2. This is equal to 4.5. The value of x is equal to 4.5. Now in question number 8, b is directly proportional to a. Given relation, b is directly proportional to a and value of b is equal to 3 when a is equal to 18. In other condition, find the value of b when a is equal to 24. First of all, write the according to given condition. Solution: according to given condition, b is directly proportional to a. Remove the proportionality sign, then b is equal to ka. Putting the values when b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 18. Put in this relation, value of b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 18. 18 divided on other side. This implies that k is equal to 3 upon 18. Simplify this relation, then k is equal to 1 upon 6. Now we will have, if we find b is equal to question mark and a is equal to 24. Putting the values, b is equal to value of k is 1 upon 6 multiplied by 24. 6 ones are 6 and 6 fours are 24. Simplify this relation, x is equal to 4. Now we will have question number 9. For each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Copy and complete the table. In this table, we will see that x and y values. Some values are missing, but first of all, we write the given relation y is directly proportional to x. Now, in part A, according to given condition, y is directly proportional to x. Removing the proportionality sign, then y is equal to kx. Now we will find the constant from x and y, both values are given. So x is equal to 24 and y is equal to 6. Then we have x is equal to 24 and y is equal to 6. Putting the values in given relation, Then find the value of k. Now value of y is 6 and x is 24. So 6 is equal to k into 24. 24 divided on other side. This implies that k is equal to 6 upon 24. Simplify this relation. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Then value of k is equal to 1 upon 4. Now we will find the remaining values. In first part, x is equal to 4, y is equal to question mark. Then x is equal to 4, we can find the value of y. Putting the given relation y is equal to value of k 1 upon 4 multiply by value of x is 4. 4 is cancelled out by 4. Now after the simplified relation y is equal to 1. In part B, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to question mark. Then y is equal to value of k is 1 upon 4 and x is 20. Then simplify this relation. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. Value of y is equal to 5. Now in C part, here we can see that value of x is unknown and y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 and x is equal to question mark. Putting the value of y, 9 is equal to 1 upon 4 value of k into x. 4 is multiply on other side. This implies that x is equal to 9 multiplied by 4. 9 fours are 36. So the final answer of x is equal to 36. Then if y is equal to 11 and x is equal to question mark, then putting the value of y is equal to 11 and value of k is 1 upon 4 into x. 4 is multiplied by other side. So x is equal to 11 multiplied by 4. 11 fours are 44. This implies that value of x is equal to 44. Now question number 9 B part, we will complete the table. In this table given relation is same. Y is directly proportional to x. Then we write the given condition y is directly proportional to x. This implies that y is equal to kx. Remove the proportionality sign. Now x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3.6. Here we can find the value of k. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3.6. Put in this relation and find the value of k. Y is equal to 3.6 is equal to k into 3. 3 is divided on other side, then k is equal to 3.6 upon 3. Simplify this relation. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Value of k is equal to 1.2. Now we will find the unknown values. In first part, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to question mark. In this condition, we will put the values in given relation y is equal to kx. So y is equal to value of k is 1.2 and x is 2. 1.2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2.4. So the value of y is equal to 2.4. Now the value of x is 5.5 and unknown value of y. So putting in given relation y is equal to kx. Here y is equal to value of k is 1.2 and x is 5.5. Multiplying by 1.2 into 5.5. So the answer of y is equal to 6.6. Here y is equal to 6.6. Again repeated, the value of y is equal to 6.6. Now in C part y is equal to 9.6. We will find x, then put the values in given relation y is equal to kx. then 9.6 is equal to value of k 1.2 into x. 1.2 is divided by other side, then x is equal to 9.6 divided by 1.2. The final answer of x is equal to 8. In last part, the value of y is 11.4 and x is equal to unknown. Then putting the values 11.4 is equal to value of k 1.2 into x. 1.2 is divided on other side. This implies that x is equal to 11.4 upon 1.2. 11.4 divided by 1.2 is equal to 9.5. So x is equal to 9.5. Thank you. Best of luck. We will meet in other video with other lesson. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.